And he already is. Just think how good he's going to be.
Kastelik runs over Martinook before the puck got there. He'll get called for interference. Tkachuk comes in. And what do you know? It's a little chaos in Carolina. Tkachuk going after Martinook. Kastelik wants to get back in there. And we'll get a few penalties out of this by the looks of it. 1-1 and a little anger starting to show here with these two clubs.
As after all of that, before the break, Kastelik and Tkachuk going to the penalty box for Ottawa. Jordan Martinook will be in the box for Carolina, but a big opportunity here, Trip, with this game tied at 1 for the Canes power play.
Great players are always improving dimensions of their game. Sebastian Aho, can he win power play faceoffs with regularity clean this season?